2017 Nissan Titan V8. Still got the stock converters there. It's got a total of 4. Then it comes true dual originally from the factory into a single muffler. We put a MAGNAFLOW on it, dual in, single out, into 3-inch tailpipe and a 4-inch tip right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2011 Nissan Titan 5.6 or 5.7 liter. What we got done on it is, we still got the stock converters there and there. It's got the rear converters. And then it comes from the factory true dual. Then we put a dual in, single out FLOWMASTer Super 10 into a double walled dual outlet tip. Black tip right there. Came out really nice, clean. Like it? Nice and deep. Come on. Oh, it's the platinum one too.
Yeah.
They're beautiful trucks. Titan 4x4 Flex Fuel FLOWMASTer dual in, single out Super 10 and a new tip. That sounds perfect. That tip changed the sound a lot. Yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside in a second.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know